Oh my goodness, Jade is so excited to get out. She's practically running. Well, she was, but see, look at this. Oh my goodness, Jade. Are we going for a jog today? Bless you. She's still jogging whenever she can get away with it. Enjoying a lovely little nature path. Bella. Couple of treats for her. Jade really wants them. But we'll see if she'll eat these while I'm gone. Jade, you're not allowed to have those. Those aren't for you. I do have something good for you, though. You want it? Let's go get it. Good girl. Well, hopefully you don't work through that too quickly. That's supposed to keep you busy all day. Don't choke on it. Look who's out. Hi, Bella. And I brought some more treats for Jade. We have a beef tendon and a yak cheese. This one's very hard, so it's gonna take you a little bit of time to work through, ma'am. She goes through chew bones like nobody's business. Although I have a feeling you probably know about that. Good girl. Jade's doing well today, but she definitely has far less energy this afternoon than she did this morning, so we're only gonna do a 20-minute walk rather than a 30-minute one today. She's being very good. Even when dogs were barking at us, she just kept moving. Lots of sniff breaks, of course. What the queen wants, the queen gets. And you want your wet food. Yum, yum, yum. Bon appetit, my dear. Here goes Violet. She lets me pet her for a little while. Lots of chin scratches. And then she goes and lays down for a minute. We still have Bella in the back. But otherwise, we're doing well today. Great first day. Starting tomorrow, I'll be able to space out our visits a little bit more, so I'm closer to actual dinner time for our afternoon visit. But she certainly didn't seem to mind when I gave her wet food a little early today. Working on finding the perfect spot, babe. Good girl. Holding us in suspense. Am I in your favorite spot? Is that the problem? Well, don't worry. I won't be in your hair for too much longer. Yeah, you do. And as you can see here, she has the beef tendon to work on. Good girl. Yes,